Now, let me ask you a question. What if I told you that you don't need to be rich, powerful, or work in a bank to start investing in Ghana stock market? What if I told you that from your phone, right where you are, you can actually own shares in companies like MTN Ghana, GCB Bank. Today, we're talking about one of the best performing markets in Africa, the Ghana Stock Exchange, and how you can invest in it and the stocks to consider buying in 2026. I'm Besiwa, your stockbroker. Call me Akosua Biama, your financial consultant. Welcome to Gen Z Financial Podcast. This chart shows how some Ghanaian stocks performed from 2025 to early 2026 and how early investors benefited from that growth. Looking back, 2025 was an exceptional year for the Ghana Stock Exchange. The market performed strongly, with the GSE Composite Index gaining over 75% by the end of the year. This means if you invested in quality companies earlier in the year, you likely saw impressive gains. Let's quickly look at how investors benefited by investing in some key companies on the Ghana stock market in 2025. MTN Ghana, the country's leading telecommunications company. At the beginning of 2025, one MTN share was trading at 2 cedis 55 pesewas. If you invested 1,000 Ghana cedis, you would have bought about 392 shares. By January 2026, when the share price rose to 4 cedis 23 pesewas, investment would have been worth about 1,660 Ghana cedis, a gain of over 660 Ghana cedis. SIC Insurance is one of Ghana's largest insurance providers. In January 2025, one SIC share cost just 27 pesewas. A 1,000 Ghana cedis investment would have given you 3,700 shares. By January 2026, at 1 cedi 20 pesewas per share, that investment would be worth about 4,440 Ghana cedis. Wow, that's more than 4 times the original amount. CalBank is a well-known Ghanaian commercial bank. At the start of 2025, CalBank shares were priced at 37 pesewas. With 1,000 Ghana cedis, you could have bought around 2,700 shares. In January 2026, when the price reached 61 pesewas, the investment would be worth about 1,650 Ghana cedis. TotalEnergies Marketing Ghana operates in the energy and fuel sector. In January 2025, share was priced at 13 cedis 12 pesewas. A 1,000 Ghana cedis investment would have bought about 76 shares. By January 2026, at 40 cedis 29 pesewas per share, that investment would have grown to over 3,060 Ghana cedis. Amazing growth. GCB Bank is one of Ghana's largest and most established banks. At the beginning of 2025, GCB share was trading at 6 cedis 37 pesewas. With 1,000 Ghana cedis, you would have bought about 157 shares. By January 2026, when the price climbed to 20 cedis 14 pesewas, that investment would be worth around 3,160 Ghana cedis. In this Clydestone Limited, an IT services company listed on the Ghana Stock Exchange, trading at about 3 pesewas per share at the beginning of 2025. A 1,000 Ghana cedis investment would have bought over 33,000 shares, now worth about 15,300 Ghana cedis at 46 pesewas. Cedis per shares. Amazing, a gain of more than 14,000 Ghana cedis. That's interesting. To invest in these shares, you can now use digital platforms like IC Wealth or Blackstar apps, which make the process simple from your phone. These apps work through licensed brokers on your behalf. Just remember, it's never too late to invest. Consistently buying as little as much. 50 cedis worth of shares each week can grow into something meaningful over time.